Hello everyone, my name is Robin. I have been playing economical games from a long time. From past few weeks, I have been playing games on site FocusBet, and I have gained enough experience to teach you guys how to make money in very small time and how to earn profit. So today, we are going to play this game Mines. In this site, FocusBet, these are various games you can play. You already know, and these are various slot games. And there are various offers going on in this site. Like if you deposit your money for the first time, they will give you some bonus. And if you have any doubts, or they have live chat section, as well as they have Telegram page where you can contact them. So this is the section where you can deposit your money. This is the withdrawal section, and this is the section where you can check your payment of the history, and these are the various payment methods. So we are going to start with the game Crash today. So guys, I'm going to put number of bombs 3 and bet amount of 500. So we are starting with 9,000. Let's see how much profit we are going to make today. Okay, this one, great, one more. Let's this one, 955. Okay guys, let's put 1,000 this time. Okay, this one, maybe one corner one. Great. No, this, and one more. Let's try for this corner one. Oh man. Fine. This, corner, one more in the center. Man, fine. We are going to start again, starting with the center one. This one. Okay, this one more. This. First we will recover everything. Last time we choose this. In this game, these are the stars and these are the bombs. So you have to pick stars only. This one, center one, this one. Okay, more starting with corner. This one, this, and one here. Okay, fine. Another round starting with this corner, this center one, this. Hope for the best. Great. Now win the profit, guys. We are back again in the game. Let's see how good is our day today. 640. Great. Starting with this. Fine. We are still in the profit. This. Man. Fine guys, don't worry. We will recover. This one. Okay. This one. One more. Okay. This. Sometime you will lose. Don't worry. We will recover. We will recover everything, guys. Okay. Play again. This, maybe this, this. Okay. This corner. Maybe this. Fine, guys. Don't worry. Starting with this. One more, maybe this. Arey yaar. Don't worry, guys, we will recover. Let's put 1500 this time. Corner. Okay. Fine, guys. Fine. We will play big this time. One more. Okay. Starting with this corner here. Great. Here. Okay, guys, look, we are back again in the game. This and one more for you guys. Look, within short period of time we lose some time, but we made a great profit and we are back again in the game. So for you guys, last round. Okay, and one last box. Let's choose this one. Okay, so guys, I am sure you all guys know, get the idea how to play this game, Mines, and this is very good game. Sometime you will lose, sometime you will win, but at the end, if you are strong and you are playing wisely, definitely you will make money. Look, within a small period of time we made this profit. So that's all for today. Bye bye, guys. I'm sure I'm going to see you all of guys next time. Bye.